Hi, my name is Nur Suhana binti Kamar Zaman. So today me and my group want to present the type of damage and accurate maintenance methods at our selected location and discuss how the traffic management can ensure the road safe at our selected location. Traffic Management Plan (TMP) is defined as the planning of a process to control or facilitate vehicle movement that involve specific processes such as planning, geometry design, and traffic operation during the road construction or road upgrading works. It is prepared before road works to ensure better traffic control for vehicle and pedestrian to minimize traffic congestion, as well as to safeguard the site workers. A proposal should be complete with the types and color scheme of signage, cone and plastic barrier layout arrangement, and road closure methods as required by the local authority. Road damage is condition in which the function and road structure are not able to serve the traffic above it optimally, and improperly maintained road can also represent an increased safety hazard to the user, which is leading to more accidents with the associated human and property costs. We choose the location from Limau Police Station to Sirin Beach because we surveyed there was a lot of on the road traffic. So type of damage and appropriate maintenance methods is first, alligator cracking. Alligator cracking is a load associated structure failure. The failure can be due to weakness in the surface, base, or subgrade surface or base that is too thin, poor drainage, or the combination all of three. It often starts in the wheel part as longitude cracking and ends up as alligator cracking after severe distress. The maintenance is slab replacement, which is referred to replacing section of paved road. It is a good option for when slabs are cheap, cracked, or uneven and mitigates the need to replace the entire road when just a small section is damaged. Secondly, edge crack. Edge crack travel along the inside edge of a pavement surface within 1 or 2 feet. So the most common cause for this type of crack is poor drainage condition and lack of support at the pavement edge. So as a result, underlying base materials settle and become weak. Heavy vegetation along the pavement edge and heavy traffic can also be the instigation of edge cracking. So, the maintenance is grouting growth, which is dense fluid majorly comprising of cement paste and cement mortar, which is used to fill cracks or gaps. The process of applying this mixture with application of pressure is known as grouting. The same concept can also be used to replace the cement mortar with different chemical substitution, which can be applied on a flexible pavement to repair the cracks.
Hi, my name is Izzati Izzuddin binti Muhammad Idris. My registration number is 14DKA20F1051. I will continue the presentation. So number 3 is potholes. Small bowl-shaped depression in the pavement surface that penetrate all the way through the asphalt layer down to the base course. They generally have sharp edge and vertical sides near the top of hole. Potholes are the result of moisture infiltration and usually the end result of untreated alligator cracking. The maintenance is patching, which is the process of filling potholes to or other pavement. This integration helps control an expensive repair of the pavement. Without patching, water can enter the subbase and cause large and more serious pavement failure. Number 4 is depression. Depression are localized pavement surface area with lower elevation than the surrounding pavement. Depression are very noticeable after a rain when they fill with water. The maintenance is asphalt, overlay, restore roads to a smooth condition. The resurfacing use the deteriorating asphalt as a base, for which the new layer is added on the top of instead of tearing up the worsening one. Number 5 is puddle, which is commonly during rain and cause problem for transport. Due to the angle of the road, puddles tend to be forced by gravity to gather on the edge of the road. This can cause splashing as cars drive through the puddles, which causes water to be sprayed, and it can lead to careless driving. The maintenance is smoothing, which is when they lightly rework the gravel of the road without digging in too far to the subbase. Smoothing is done when the road has minor damage or just worn down a bit from use.
Number 8. Rutting. A rutting is a surface erosion in a wheel path and result permanent deformation on pavement or subgrade. This condition is usually caused by a lack of sufficient strength to withstand heavy load on the road, but can also occur as result from HMA with too many fasteners other than the use of studded tires. Wheel growth is not repaired, can trap water and contribute to hydroplaning. The maintenance is there are several options available for dealing with this type of road difficulty. Rut filling with HMA is the most evident widely used. However, the second rut filling option is to use chip sealing material. Groove grading can also occur, but care should be taken. Make sure this option will remove the groove until maintenance occurs.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mazna binti Badrila. My matrix number is 14DK201054. So next, reveling and pitching. Reveling and pitching distresses are characterized by the loss or dislodgement of surface aggregate particles. A pavement that is reveling must be sealed as soon as reasonably possible, since unsealed pavement will continue to revel, age and harden much faster than normal, resulting in difficult maintenance problems. The maintenance is treatment option for a pavement that is reveling or pitching is to perform a folk seal to ensure the pavement has been sealed and thereby reduce the rapid deterioration usually exhibited from this distress. Lastly, pavement thickness uneven. The uneven thickness of the pavement causes motor vehicles passing on the road to skid to the point of breaking roadblocks. This can endanger road users. The maintenance is regrading and topping up of shoulders as required, filling irregularities in unsealed shoulders, and filling pavement or shoulder level difference. So for conclusion, an effective traffic management plan is achievable by considering various factors that will influence the traffic management at the site. The traffic management must be well planned so that the overall safety level and work productivity could be increased consequently. The works could be complete in the expected time, cost, and quality. So, how the traffic management can ensure the road safe to use is road traffic safety very important for roadsides and highway, because the maintenance methods such as patching, asphalt overlay, and slab replacement, this can measure used to prevent road user from being killed or seriously injured. The basic strategy of a safe system approach is to ensure that in the event of a crash, the impact energies remain below the threshold likely to produce either death or serious injury. This threshold will vary from crash scenario to crash scenario depending upon the level of protection offered to the road user involved. At the highest level is sustainable prevention of serious injury and death crashes, with sustainably requiring all key resort areas to be considered.